Hi everyone, welcome back to Essie Cooks. In this video, I am redoing one of my original recipes from so many years ago, which is the buffalo tofu wings. Now, I made a couple small changes because I've been perfecting these over the years. This is a staple. I make these all the time. I put them on salads, I put them on meal prep, I put them on wraps, I have them as a snack. I mean, this is just one of those recipes that I love to have time and time again. So let's get started. I'm actually going to be making a double batch here, but I'm going to put up the ingredients for a single batch. So press an extra firm block of tofu and cut it into about 16 pieces. You can cut longer strips or shorter strips. Now for the breading, we need 3 shallow bowls, a quarter cup of cornstarch, quarter cup of plant milk, and half a cup of breadcrumbs. So we're going to get those all started for the breading. So it's just a simple dry, wet, dry breading mixture. Going to toss the tofu in the cornstarch just until it's coated. Like, you don't need a lot. You can brush off a little extra if you need. Dunk it into the unflavored, unsweetened plant milk here. I'm using soy milk. I find that's really good for this recipe. And then I have seasoned breadcrumbs. I like them to be pre-seasoned. It just saves time. It's easy. Everything look at how easy that is. You can make bigger, longer pieces if you don't want it to take as long, but I wanted small pieces for my salad, so that's the size I'm making. Now I'm just going to keep coating all of those in the batter, coating them fully, so cornstarch, plant milk, and breadcrumbs, and just repeat with all the pieces. I'm putting them directly on the air fryer. I'm doing them in batches because it's 2 blocks of tofu. Now that these are all breaded, you can see how nicely they are coated. Throw those in the air fryer at 390 degrees. If you need to preheat your air fryer, you can do that, but this one doesn't need any preheating. We're going to do 8 minutes total, so 4 minutes per side, or until the outsides are nice and golden brown. If you want them to get extra crispy, you can even put like a little bit of oil on the outside, but I don't find that it needs it. Right now, we're at the halfway point, and I'm just going to flip them all. Careful, you can use tongs to do this instead, and then we'll put them back in for another 4 minutes. Plus, I'm just going to heat up some vegan butter and some Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. So I didn't have a ton of vegan butter left, but I'm just using what I had left as well as the rest of my Frank's. This is the one here. I just love this sauce. It's so good. We are just going to toss them up in this sauce. It's going to be so good. And now you can serve these just as an appetizer or a main, dipping them in some ranch, some vegan ranch, some blue cheese dressing, whatever you like here. They are so good fresh out of the air fryer. But like I said, you can play around with these. You can also put barbecue sauce on the outside of this same recipe instead of the Frank's butter mixture. So keep that in mind too if you love barbecue sauce, because it's the same procedure. Just put barbecue sauce on the end. And my favorite way is to serve this in a wrap on some garlic naan. It's honestly so good. I hope you guys love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.